Okay, today we got a poblano pepper, we got some pork and onions, and some rice. So we're gonna mix together the pork, onions, and rice and stuff it inside this pepper and cook it, and then we're gonna eat the whole thing and see if it's delicious. To get this started, we're gonna open up this end of the pepper and remove the seeds. Okay, so we cut around the top and bam! We're just gonna clear out the inside, make some room for the stuff. So there's not too much room in here, but we're gonna jam it all in there. To get everything in the right format, we're gonna throw it in this bowl and stir it up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna stuff this. We successfully stuffed the pepper. We're gonna cook it in the oven for a little bit. Okay, to start, we're just gonna throw it in the toaster for 25 minutes, 375. Okay, it's been 25 minutes and it looks like this will be, I let it cool for a second. Let's see if this is a good, healthy taco. I can feel that it's warm inside, but will it be delicious? Poblano pepper taco, good idea.